May tawa talaga. Tawa. Hindi ko na alam.
Wala na, stop eh.
May sis na ako.
Stop eh.
Isa pa? One more. Oh, wala naman ako.
From there, Kulat, dali na.
From there.
Eh,
Hindi ka lang. 5, 6, 7, go.
Workout ah.
Kaya ko lang. Kaya ko lang. I like that pala.
This is the mild version.
Wala na akong may stay. Hilo.
Hello. Ano ba to?
Una tayo. Number one girl. Number one girl. Number one girl. Number
Nada in Dubai. What do you do when you're in Dubai? You eat Filipino food.
At may isang ingredients lang na hindi namin maulaan. At ang guess ko ay kare-kare. Toyo. Secret. Bago.
What's inside?
There's a lot.
Chef, sasabihin mo yung nabulong ko na. Vegetable. Di ba? Kinakain nyo rin yan. Hindi. Maalat-alat. Hinahalo yan sa minsan. Yes. Salted egg. No? Okay, so tamis, alat, maagaw-agaw.
Hello po, I'm Joanna po.
She's the manager of Vivian Dayan
po from TFC. Colette, Sheena, Mika, Maloy, Gwen.
And welcome to Dubai.
Yay! First time yun talaga.
The girl's second time. The girl's second time. Yes po. Ay, si Aika. Ay, ako naman yung met. Okay. Hello. Ay, ganda. Take a picture. Gitna po kayo. Gitna po. Ito na po 9 members, Sir Michael.
Okay, ready? Look at here. One more. Okay. Okay, ito po muna.
Actually, naka-extensions lang ako ngayon. At i-reveal natin siya dito sa live! Wait lang, hold the mic for me. Go. Wait, let's reveal. Okay. Huh? Lynn! Nahulog. She's so good! She's so good! Alam mo, ikaw ko nag-wall. Si Mika din. So, we have your date. Actually, natikman ko na to dati pa. Pero, ayoko tikman ngayon. Pero sige, for the dare. I don't like the taste. I like it. Just go. Yeah. They also have this covered in chocolate. It's also good. Oh my god, look at this face. I like it. I like this. I used to, it reminds me of raisins, but not the texture, but I mean the looks of it now. I used to get raisins, but I like raisins now. And I like it's not sweet! It's not sweet! It's like this sweet. For real. It's like only the right amount of sweetness, like not too sweet. Really? Yeah, I like it. I like it. But you know, it's about personal preference, personal taste. So maybe a lot of people like this, maybe a lot of people don't. It's not real. Yeah, it's not my cup of tea. Yeah. But you still keep eating it, even if you don't like it. Sayang eh.
Hindi kami basta bumalik. We came back stronger. Not because we had something to prove, but because we remembered who we are and why we started. Maraming salamat to my fans!
Go, Snaps! Game? Iyak muna. Game? This is my first acting. Go, fine. Iyak muna. Kukunwari, hindi naman na nalimutan ang kalimutan. Wala! Bilis niya. Si Bebe naman. Wala pa sa chorus. Bebe.
Wait lang, hindi nakikita na lahat. So dapat isa dito.
No. O, sige, doon ka mix. Mika, ikaw na. Sobrang cute pa naman ang Mika. Ito na lang gusto ko to. Shino-chan! Hi! Nani Gaski! Chocolate! Sobrang lakas yun sa inyo. Nani Gaski! Chocolate! Lakas? Ayan na. Ang twist, si Kuya Dom ang uupos. I can feel her. What happened, Habibi? What happened, Ate Aya? What happened, Ate Aya? This is our main ritual. Ate Aya! O sige naman. You stretch your legs, okay? While we perform, okay?
Hey guys!
Go, Ate Aya.
Storytelling.
Okay. Anong storya ng buhay mo?
Oh my gosh, pressure naman to.
Aya.
Kasi bigla ako nag-crown sa Oleg, but tuloy ang laban, everybody. So I'm here, I'm smiling. Siyempre!
Iiyak ba na yan?
Aya. Oh yeah, basta kahit nakaupo ako, grabe yung energy ko, guys. Pero dito lang. Magja-jogging pa yan bukas, 10K. Magja-jogging ka pa. May jogging ka pa.
So now, Blooms, don't blink twice. Dahil...
This is our main ritual. Ate Aya! You stretch your legs, okay? While we perform, okay?
Hey guys!
Go, Ate Aya.
Storytelling.
Okay. Anong storya ng buhay mo?
Oh my gosh, pressure naman to.
Aya.
Kasi bigla ako nag-crown sa Oleg, but tuloy ang laban, everybody. So I'm here, I'm smiling. Siyempre!
Iiyak ba na yan?
Aya. Oh yeah, basta kanta, basta kahit nakaupo ako, grabe yung energy ko, guys. Wait, dito lang. Mag-jogging pa yan bukas, 10 km. Mag-jogging ka pa. Mag-jogging ka pa. So now, Bruce, don't blink twice. Dahil kayo ang aming cherry on top. Yes! We remembered who we are and why we started. Maraming salamat sa Vibe Vlogs!
Kaya mo dyan, kaya? Dyan na siya, guys. Hindi, buhatin na lang. Kawawa naman po. Yung visual natin. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, go. Okay.
Paniwala sa mundo madaya, oh. Ano nga ba, sino nga ba, ikaw ba, ako ba, hindi ikaw ba ba, nahala? Yeah, huwag ka na maniwala sa paniniwala. Na dapat makipago na sa karera. Kung wala ka makipago sa atin ka lang. Kaya rin sa
Dulet, kainit diris Dubai. Miskan kung saan akong paypay, ikaw pag yun akong kalibay.
Okay, wait. Kakanta kami. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Ooh, wanna rock with us. 5, 6, 7, go. Ooh, wanna rock with Jenny. Na 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 na, that sound like Jenny. Na 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 na, sound like Jenny. Like Jenny. Jenny, 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 like Jenny. Jenny, 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 Jenny. Woo, ha, ha, hey, ta, 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 hey, ha, ha, and ha, let's go. Ta, 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 hey, hey, what a round.
Sige, ako mag-grade. Oh, Stocks, ikaw mauna. Sige na, lahat gagawin, Stocks. Mauna ka. Ikaw muna. Sa TikTok ko. Hindi, yun nga. Yung trendy sheet. Agit ka. Iyak mo. Go, Stocks. Game? Iyak muna. Iyak muna. Game? This is my first time. Go, iyak muna. Hindi naman nalimutan. Wala. Ang bilis niya. Si Bebe naman. Labas ako. Wala. Iyak muna. Hindi naman nalimutan. Wala. Ang bilis niya. Si Bebe naman. Labas ako.
everyone, clap! 5, 6, 7, clap!
Siguro shake ang kapulog ng ganung hair sana. Kaya mo rin.
What happened, Ate Aya?
What happened, Ate Aya? This is our little show. Ate Aya.
O sige na.
You stretch your legs, okay? While we perform, okay?
Hey guys.
Go, Ate Aya.
Story namin.
Okay. Anong storya ng buhay mo?
Oh my gosh, pressure naman to.
Aya.
Ano, kasi
Bigla ako nag-cramp sa leg, but tuloy ang laban, everybody. So, I'm smiling.
siyempre.
Through it all. Iiyak ba na yan?
Aya.
Oh yeah, basta
Basta, kahit nakaupo ako, grabe yung energy ko, guys.
Dito lang.
Mag-jogging pa